Install the HP Deskjet 1515 series driver, using Windows. Let's get started. First, let's check the install version. Click the folder. Then right-click this PC, and choose Properties. Second, we will download from the official website or from the video description below. Next, we double-tap the driver icon. We wait a moment. Click Continue. Accept the agreement arrangement. Click Next. We wait a moment. Then we checked connecting to the device later. Click Skip. And finish. Then we check by clicking Windows, then Settings, and select Device. In it we select Printers and Scanners. There you can see the HP Deskjet 1515 installed. When you connect the printer, it will detect it automatically and then follow further instructions on screen. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.